Hey friends, today I want to share 8 interior design trends that used to be popular, went out of style, and are now making a comeback again. Interior design trends keep changing as any other industry. What looked good in 90s might not be in style now, and today's trends could be out of style by next year. So one popular design trend in 1950s and 60s was chrome, which featured shiny silver metal elements in furniture and decor. People loved it for its long-lasting quality and modern looks. It's used in furniture frames, kitchen sinks, and decor. The shiny surface adds a bright, modern touch to any room. A chrome table lamp by a bedside not only lights up the room but also makes it feel more open. In kitchen, chrome faucets and handles give a clean, fresh look. You can add chrome to furniture legs and mirrors for a bit of style and shine. I remember my mom's old lamp with chrome details she had stored away. I fixed it up a little bit and now it's the highlight of our house. Speaking of classic design choices, stripes are a timeless design choice. Stripes were once used in fancy clothes to add elegance, and now they're everywhere in homes, on wallpapers, rugs, and furniture. They bring a fresh feel and work well with both classic and modern styles. Imagine a living room with striped pillows on a couch. Stripes could be bold like black and white or softer colors that blends with the room. You could also use striped curtains to make the ceiling look higher, for a striped rug can make your room feel bigger. Whether on a wall or a bedspread, stripes add a really nice touch without making the room feel crowded and overwhelming. Irregular shapes are becoming popular to add that fun element. They are uneven and have curves, which makes your room feel casual and artistic. If you want to make a plain space more interesting, then this is your style. Wavy mirrors, funky tables, or art in unusual frames all bring a very creative vibe. A curvy coffee table or a chair can make your space feel more cozier and laid back, while also adding something unique. With irregular shapes, you can be creative and make your space feel more cool and different. 70s inspired with bold colors and fun patterns is coming back. There's something special about the 70s. Those stylish cars, fancy clothes, and unique decor. It was a time like no other. Now that the retro is back in style, designers are on fire. But you don't have to spend a fortune. Classic pieces are everywhere in thrift stores and estate sales. Just plan ahead and do check out the stores in affluent suburbs, and you will find your own retro designer pieces. To bring this style into your home, start with the soft velvet chair, a rounded coffee table, and a cozy rug. A few fun patterned pillows, and don't forget the 70s style lighting. Probably a big globe-shaped light. Another style that's rising now is the use of dark wood and cabinetry. Use woods like walnut and mahogany for a classic, expensive feel. These woods add warmth and comfort that modern designs often lack. This brings the touch of history into your space. Use dark wood cabinets in the kitchen or a beautiful walnut table in the dining room. Dark cabinets looks great with light countertops or bright backsplashes. In the living room, a dark wood coffee table or even a bookshelf can really stand out and give a very expensive feel to your home. When used thoughtfully, dark wood can bring balance to a room and give a very timeless and elegant feel. Burl wood is becoming very popular. It comes from trees that have gone through stress. That stress causes the wood to grow in unique patterns with knots, swirls, and twists, just like marble. Burl wood looks great in furniture like coffee tables, side tables, and cabinets. It's also perfect for smaller items like picture frames and trays, though it can be a bit expensive, but I love it because it works both with bold and simple styles. When it comes to burlwood furniture, it's not just the furniture you are adding, it's a sort of work of art you add into your home. Adding colors is a fun way to brighten up your space. I personally love neutral tones, but I enjoy using bright colors to make my home feel inviting and joyful. We all use colors in many ways, whether it's the energy of the new season or a celebration of a certain tradition. Colors help make your room feel more connected to the world around you. Mixing bright colors with lighter tones can really bring that wow factor to any space. The key really is to strike a balance between bold and calm so the room feels energetic and also peaceful. Now let's talk about antique chairs and furniture trend. Antique furniture is making a comeback. Blending timeless elegance with modern style is the way to go. I feel like when you add an antique piece to any space, its character and craftsmanship makes a space feel like home and give it a very stylish touch. You might have noticed that Antique furniture holds a unique value which the modern furniture often lacks. They feel warm and full of history, adding a unique touch to any space. You can easily mix old and new pieces to create a cozy lived-in look. You can add a vintage wooden chair to your modern living room or pair an old dining table with a few sleek modern chairs. Just one antique piece and it can bring character to your space and give it a very lived-in feel. These were all the trends I wanted to talk about today. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.